All right, guys. I just hopped on a trade here. I got in a bad feel because you know how Think Markets is. Um, I was trying to get a sell limit here, but if you saw my other video with this whole Think Markets fucking broker or whatever the fuck, their structure isn't quite the same. I mean, it looks the same, but the way it like does shit, like you see how far that is compared to this one. This one practically tapped it. Yeah, it did. So yeah, that's why I couldn't get a fill there. So that I was supposed to be up here, but it is what it is. I'm not even surprised. But yeah, the idea for this is I'm just really trying to target this low right here. I could try to target all the way down there, and see also this low is the 4 hour right there. But if you know about the like the three candle pattern or whatever, I think ICT teaches this. I'm not very well versed on it, but this is my understanding. When you see price make a swing high like this, especially when we have a very aggressive bearish candle, you could expect the next candle to form as a bearish candle. At first, I was looking to go take this out, take this high, continue going higher because we did tap into this. Considered as an order block, but uh, but then I mean I was also already aware of these. We got the breaker right here. We tapped into it in an order block. I saw that, right? I was like, hold on. I said, okay, I still want to go higher. But then I realized this, this whole pattern here. I was like, okay. And we just been, we already got the higher time frame objective. Price is very reasonable for it to start retracing back down. So that's why I got in this trade. And also the setup is right here. Well, actually, no, I went to the 15. I waited for price to I wanted to see how price closes. You guys can hear my little brother. Just excuse him. But you guys, I wanted to see how price reacts to the halfway, the constant encroachment of the fair value, and we closed below it. So okay, that gave me another confirmation. And this wick right here, I like how it went. We had these three bearish candles, and it went all the way back up there, grabbed whatever the fuck it wanted to grab, and then broke down lower. See right here, grab all the way, and then broke down. So okay, I like that. That's another confirmation. And we have a order block right here, which is the entry. So that's another. Honestly, I'm I could just secure right here because my plan is for 4% a week. I am aiming for 4% a week, and this is already 4% right here. But I mean, this is still an order block though, so I'll take my chances, guys. I'm gonna just take it because my plan is 4% a week, right? And what do you call that? I mean, yeah, we already hit 4%. Now, if it wasn't floating at 4%, I wouldn't have closed it. I would have uh held it until TP. I do believe we're gonna take out this TP here. We have that fair value in a 4 hour, which is what the target is. And also another reason why I entered this trade is because of the 9 a.m. How the 9 a.m. candle closed very bearish. I liked how it didn't take it out right away. Even if it did so, I would expect a retracement and then continue on lower. But it's better when it doesn't take it out right away. When it starts retracing and then it goes lower, which is what it did for today. So you know, you what I can just say is you gotta pay attention to the hourly candles. Now, for me personally, I only pay attention to the 9 a.m. candle because I like to trade at the 10 a.m. I mean, I haven't backtested this in other sessions. I mean, I'm pretty sure it probably works in any other session. It's probably the same shit for every other 1 hour candle. But for me, it works perfectly with a 9 a.m. and a 10 a.m. candle. So pretty much I want to see how the 10 a.m. reacts to the 9 a.m. candle that just formed at 10 a.m. I don't know if that makes sense. It probably did, but yeah, I mean, you guys know what the fuck I'm saying. But yeah, as you can see, this was a clean trade. I mean, when I was looking at this, I was like, damn, there ain't no trades, man. Like, it really don't. This doesn't look good, bro. Like, don't get me wrong. This price action is not. It's not pretty, but I saw a lot of things. It lined up. Look, this trade is literally fucking picture perfect. You see that? I mean, it didn't tap the body, but still, we have this fair value that in itself is a fucking is an entry. And also, I saw this post on Twitter. It was like, if you have an order block and there's no fair value, put your limits on the body. Now, if there's a fair value in that order block, if you really want to get in this trade, put your limit on the wick. Now, for this case, yeah, the wick would have been good, but still, I knew it was gonna do what it was doing right now. So that's why I did what I did. I just entered the market execution because, like I said, think Marcus is garbage. And I heard 8 cap is trash too. Like, I want to try them out. Like the broker. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, I wanted to try out like the brokers that TFT offers, but I can't open like a demo account with them. So I don't know. I don't know how they're like, bro. I don't know what their contract sizes is. I don't know what their spread is like. I heard 8 cap is trash. At first, I thought it was good, and now, like I listened to a lot of them, like interviews, like funded traders interviews, like and podcasts and shit. And a lot of people saying 8 cap is trash, bro. And I'm definitely not trying to fucking use Think Markets because this shit is ass. Like, this is a demo account. I can only imagine what a fucking live account is like. Like, bro, look at how far it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, compared to this, look, it's not even just Pepperstone. All right, watch this. Let's go to Allwanda or Black Bull, whatever. Let's go to let's go to Black Bull. Let's see Black Bull. It's very close, just like Pepperstone. I mean, it's very minuscule or whatever, but still, it makes a difference, bro. Like in that one video that I had, where in this on Trading View, it took out the London High, and guys, like I always stress how sensitive London High and low is. So I had like 2 positions in that trade, and I put one of them at that high so I can secure some profits because I knew how reactive London High is, so I wasn't gonna be surprised if price just like fucking melts, which is what it did. But in this fucking dumbass chart right here, it didn't take it out. So I didn't, I lost both the trades, bro. It's like, man, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? That's ridiculous, bro. But yeah, as you can see right here, we're getting a reaction right now because that is a fucking order block. I mean, no, a fair value. Like right now, I don't really see anything else for me to execute on, man. I mean, we could possibly take this out, but I feel like they're probably gonna save that for tomorrow. I don't know. I mean, we're still overall bullish. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. We're still bullish as hell. Uh, we I really don't have like I can't really say which way we're going other than bullish because there's nothing else down here. I mean, we already took it out, so I can't really say which direction. Like, I can call out moves, man. You know what I'm saying? I can tell you which way price is gonna go, but it has to be that same day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I can come up with a higher time frame bias. I mean, like right now, a higher time frame bias right now is bullish. You know what I'm saying? But now let's say tomorrow I'm not sure what tomorrow's gonna be like. I mean, from what I can see, maybe a nice retracement down, but I don't know for sure until it's we're tomorrow. So how do I say it? But yeah, that's really about it, man. This was a beautiful trade, quick and easy. I did took some trades yesterday, but a lot of them I was just kind of fucking around, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't. I mean, I lost some trades, but I got the losses back. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, I was 100. Like, if I didn't take those trades yesterday, the gambled ones, I would still be 100%. But at the same time, I don't give a fuck about the fucking win rate. But yeah, I had some losses right here. I was just like buying, selling, and shit. But as you can see, I brought it back to the okay. It was the 20th. See, look at how many trades I had on the 20th. These were all fucking look $18. I was just fucking around. But yeah, like right here, we had these trades. Damn, I took a lot of trades, man. What the fuck? This whole page is the 20th, except for this one. But yeah, I brought that count back. I was at 2%, and I brought it back. 3.4. And now we should be at 4 something. 4.5. Yeah, like I said, guys, I gotta stick to my my plan. My plan was 4% a week. So tomorrow, I don't really need to trade tomorrow. Unless I see a really, really juicy setup, then I'll take it. But 4%, that's how my approach the challenges. 4% a week. So theoretically, that's only gonna take me 2 weeks. You know, and 1%, 1% risk. And yeah, that's really just it. It's been going good so far. This is the well the other I mean, as you can see right here, guys. I ain't gonna be bullshitting you guys. I did fail a lot of them, of the other ones, because I was gambling. I ain't gonna lie to you. Pretty much damn near all these trades were gambles. There was no like real risk management trade ideas or whatever. I didn't have like real trades. I was just buying, selling. Because I was kind of in a like, a bad point in my life. Because I got in an accident, and yeah, I was just like, yeah, fuck it. Let me just do this. And I was just doing some stupid shit. But, now my head is back and it's been going good. I'm actually going to buy an account later on this week. Maybe not, because I want to keep it inactive until like maybe the third week of January, because you know how January is. And yeah, so we have 4.5. There's not gonna be a lot of trading next week because with the whole holidays going on. Look at that. Like my take profits are always at areas that I know price is gonna give you a reaction to. See that shit? Like, come on now. That's sniper right there. But that's it for this video, man. There's really nothing else for me here. I mean, it's only 10:16. That was a quick ass trade. Yeah. There's nothing else for me here. I mean, if I were to look for another trade, it's not gonna show itself until like late 10 or maybe even 11 o'clock. But no, I'm not about to push it. This is the week before the holidays, so I don't want to push it too hard. I mean, I pretty much already traded the whole week. But yeah, that's about it for this video, man. I'm about to upload this right away. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching as always.